Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you text formatting shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing essays, reports, or just want to polish your documents, these shortcuts will streamline your workflow and save you time. So let's get right into it. First up, the essentials. To bold text, select the text and press Ctrl B. For italics, it's Ctrl I. And to underline, just hit Ctrl U. These are your bread and butter for emphasizing text quickly and easily. Sometimes, when you have styled your text, you might find some parts don't fit the overall look, and you would want to clean that up. To remove unwanted styling, simply select the text and press Ctrl Space. This strips away character formatting and returns the text to its default style. Now, what about selecting and editing specific sections without disrupting the whole layout? With the vertical text selection shortcut, you can precisely edit vertical blocks of text. Here's how it works. Let's say we want to format just the titles in our biryani list. I will hold the Alt key and then drag the mouse across the biryani names. Only the names, nothing else. This way, I can select all the titles without touching the descriptions. Now with all the names selected vertically, I will apply bold effect. This ensures uniform formatting, instantly making the names stand out, all while maintaining the rest of the text untouched. Now let's dive into aligning our text. For center alignment, simply place your cursor anywhere within the paragraph and press Ctrl E. This positions your text centrally between the margins. If you need to align your text to the right, press Ctrl R. And for justified text, which aligns your text evenly along both the left and right margins, providing a clean and professional look, press Ctrl J. To align text on the left, press Ctrl L. This aligns your text to the left margin. Moving on, let's explore the line spacing for optimal readability. To adjust paragraph line spacing, place your cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Use Ctrl 1 for single spacing, Ctrl 2 for double spacing, and Ctrl 5 for 1.5 spacing. These adjustments can help make your document easier to read. And with that, we have come to an end of this video. These shortcuts will make your work on Word faster and reducing your reliance on the mouse. Thanks for watching. Were any of these shortcuts new to you? Or do you have other favorites that you rely on? Hit the like button, subscribe, and please share your go-to text formatting shortcuts in the comments below. I'm always eager to learn more. Don't forget to ring the bell for more videos like this. Catch you in the next one. Take care.